Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the... Whoa, how'd I get here? Yeah, we moved. So, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, coming at you once again with another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today, I've got something that's absolutely amazing. And we're going to open it up. We're going to test it out. And yeah. And what is it? It's this. What is this? So this is a ramen cooker that you would find in a Korean convenience store. So like you go to a place, kind of like, a convenience store. You would pick out your Ramyun in this case. You would put it in a bowl, put it in this thing, and it would make your ramen on the spot. This is sent to me by a company called The Touch On. You can go check them out. Here's a link to their website. They're sponsoring this, and I really appreciate it. They are the videos in the future that you'll see that I do Korean ramen varieties will be made with this very machine. I haven't tried it out yet. I haven't done anything. I had to just look in really quick, but now we're doing the official unboxing. I haven't taken it out of the wraps yet. I am absolutely stoked. And yeah, let's do this. Oh, wow. So it came with some paperwork, some instructions, thankfully. Here is what the instruction manual looks like. It's pretty cool. It has a lot of information on how it operates, and that will definitely be helpful in making this thing go. And now this sheet, so there's two different versions of these. There's the Easy Cook, which you have go into a water line, so you put a little spacer that allows it to get water kind of like from a faucet. Or there's this version, which I thought would work a lot easier for this apartment situation, that has a motor and pumps water out of a source. So as you can see here, it's using a like a water cooler bottle. I'm gonna try it with something a little smaller, but as you can see, there's also filtration and stuff like that going on for the water. And then we've got a poster showing it in all its glory, mentioning you can add sausage and curry. I like the curry aspect. That's pretty neat. But yeah, so that's cool. And now it's time to take this thing out of the box. I haven't done this yet. I'm really stoked. Let's check it out. So check this out. I'm hoping you're able to see this just really well. So the idea is what you do is you take one of their bowls. Now this thing requires specific bowls, and they look like this. If you have your own, say, chain of shops. I mean, we saw one of these in a bubble tea shop, for example. So if you have a bubble tea shop and you've got a chain of them and you want different, designs on the bowls, they can do that. But notice in the bottom, it's got a metallic surface, and on this side it doesn't. I'm not sure at this point. This might be induction or it's just straight heat. I want to say it's induction though, but I really don't know. But it fits on there. Oh, it's almost like it's magnetic. I think it's just fitting over it really nicely. But yeah, and then you say, I want to cook instant noodles or ramen. So I guess the first one I should do is Shin, but I do have one actually that I really want to do first. But for the demo, I'll do Shin. I'll just have to find me a pack of Shin. But you would hit 1, I believe, and then it'll pull the water out, put it in there, heat it up, do everything, and go through its whole cycle. And dude, this thing is so freaking cool. I am like utterly fascinated with this. So the next thing you're gonna see is me attempting to use this thing for the first time. All right, it's all set up in the kitchen. I've got one of the bowls on it. The first thing we need to do is give it some water. All right, so here we are. It's full of water. It's ready to go. It's all heated up. So what do we need now? We need ramen. And since this thing is coated in Nongshim Shin Ramyun decals and such, I figured the best way to demo it would be with this. This is Shin Ramyun, as you probably well know if you are watching this video. This works on induction, and you'll see how quickly it boils water momentarily. The first time I tried it out, I didn't wait for this to stop flickering. It heats up the water in the boiler. I'm guessing that's what you would call it, is a boiler. But this should be intense. So it did that. It's in chill out mode. And this machine comes with the first setting as the default, which is for Shin. So here we go. Adding water. It's actually that sound, that brrr. It's pulling water in right now from the gallon. I can see it going down. And it's adding water. Now get a load of this. Since the water was hot, I believe so. Oh yeah, the water's already hot. Get a load how quick this boils. There we go. Look at that. That's crazy. And it's not just gonna boil, it's gonna boil like really hard. It's really interesting because it's like if I push the stop button, it would just, it would stop. But it seems to be doing as it should. So I'm wondering, are there companies in South Korea where you see these all the time? Are there companies over there that are making instant noodle bowls that are specifically made for induction style cooking at a convenience store? That wouldn't surprise me. I've talked to a few people about these, this machine in particular, and when I showed them images of it and stuff, and well, I'm sure when they see this video too, they were interested. They were like, how do I get one? Not for a convenience store, mind you, but for a home machine, which I thought was pretty neat. It's practically done already. I mean, that's quick. I've seen a lot of gadgets to make ramen quickly, and this one seems to be pretty fast, pretty thorough, great for bricks, packs. And as I mentioned, this one is set by default to Shin Ramyun. These three you can set any way you want. One of these, I think it's this one, adds a little more water. This one adds a little more time. And if you just want to kill it, you hit that little kind of like a play and stop button. But when it stops, you'll see how absolutely fast the boil stops too. So I don't know exactly the entire way that induction cooking works. I really want to find out more of it. But it's kind of like if you bought an induction cooking pot, if you had that style of stove, it would have a picture of a magnet on it. Okay, here we go. Now it's going to beep. Look at that. It's not like it's sitting there and still boiling because it's hot. This surface really isn't all that hot. And I think that's one of the hallmarks of this is that, yeah, the glass top, which you'll see here, yeah, that's pretty piping hot still. I've had Shin many a time in my life, but I suppose it's the right thing to do to give it a sample. It's perfectly done, that's for sure. And that's fast. I mean, you could be sitting at a stool at a convenience store, push the button, boom, 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 done, done, done. You could have it at the only time I've ever seen one of these, actually my wife saw it, was at a bubble tea shop. And it was a Korean bubble tea shop, and they had the same machine. Good chewiness. I would say that's about as good, if not better, than you would get on a stove. The amount of chew to it, I can see why they recommend this setting. All right, let's garnish it up. So what are my thoughts on this thing? Well, it does exactly as it says it's going to do. It cooks ramyun fast, and it seems extremely durable. It was very easy to set up. This is the motor version, so you would need a tank that would have water in it that would sit lower than the unit, or you can get the non-motor version, which just would have a thing that goes into your water supply that would, go into a pipe. But this thing's cool, and am I going to use it a lot? Yes. In fact, I'm going to find ways to use it as much as possible because it's amazing. The bowls, I believe, are probably 100% recyclable. It's aluminum and paper. So, very cool. And a huge thank you to The Touch On, where you can get one of these Easy Cook machines. Go check out their website here. And I'm very happy about this, and thank you again. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. You should get one of these things. Have a good one. Bye.